How's it going? My name is Scott, and I just wanted to send this video as a congratulations to Kevin for hitting 1,000 episodes on Let's Have This Conversation. I've had the pleasure of being on his podcast now, I believe a couple of times. And ever since the first episode, I've really felt like he actually cares about what I have to say. I feel like when I listen to some podcast episodes, the interviewer is just having this guest on there because they want, more views or more sponsorships. But when it comes down to Kevin's podcast, it really feels like he wants to get to know me and a little bit more about, what I do and who I help. And it's always felt very genuine. And that's why it was like a no-brainer to hop back on the second time because he made me feel that way. And I really love his questions. He asks great questions. They're very thought-provoking, where, I know I'm being recorded in the moment and I'm kind of like, oh man, this is a really deep question. I got to take a second to think about this. And it's not in a way that puts me on the spot in a bad way, but he makes me think a little bit deeper, and it elicits really great answers. And I feel like going into the Let's Have This Conversation podcast that I learned just as much maybe as he's learning from me on that. So huge congratulations to you, Kevin. It is absolutely well earned, well deserved, and I can't wait to see you grow, even surpassed 1,000 episodes, and how you're going to continue to change lives.
Hey, Kevin, man, it has been such a pleasure to know you over this past 5.5 years. I think it's been around 5.5 since I've been on Let's Have This Conversation. Man, 1,000 episodes on your YouTube channel, sitting at around 500,000 views. Man, it has been incredible to watch your journey. The conversations are really life-changing, just to see the type of guests that you have. And so back when you brought me on the show, I was a weekend sports anchor. I was doing local ESPN affiliate radio in Montgomery, Alabama, just central Alabama. In the past 5 years or so, I really dived into film work, pretty much a full-time content creator over in the ministry, Christian content side. And so a lot has changed for me. Even more has changed for you in terms of impact of your podcast, of your YouTube channel. And man, I wish you nothing but success. I would encourage you, keep pushing the envelope even more, keep having great conversations. It is super incredible to see God has been really moving in your life. I know that even recently this year, you've come out to actually the state I live in, out in Oklahoma now, and you're out in Oklahoma City doing some big special guests speaking at some awesome conferences. And so, man, I am so proud of you. I'm so excited to see what you're going to do in the rest of 2025 and in the next 5 to 10 years, where the podcast, where the show, where your content is going to take you, man. Just congratulations on 1,000 published episodes. That's really hard to do. Consistency is the toughest thing to do in content. And there's just so many people that start a show, have a good idea, they do 4, 5, maybe 10 episodes, and just the consistency of just publishing an episode once a week, twice a week is very hard to do, man. So you have already gone way and above over 80 to 90% of what podcasts and YouTube channels normally do. So I've got nothing but love for you. I'm super excited about what you're going to do in the future, and just keep doing it, man.
Hey, Kevin, you did it. Congratulations. 1,000 episodes of Let's Have This Conversation. I don't think people understand what that takes, the consistency, the reps, the reach outs, all the time and energy that goes into getting to that milestone. So I want to congratulate you, my friend. It's been an honor to know you. It was great to be one of those 1,000 guests, and I cannot wait to see when you hit 2,000.
Hey Kevin, it's your buddy Jake Rietma. Wanted to congratulate you on 1,000 episodes of Let's Have This Conversation. what a testament to your work ethic and the incredible success of the project. I know when I've been on there, it's been an absolute pleasure, even if we were complaining about Detroit sports, but hey, sometimes that's what you got to do. But more importantly is the positive impact you've had on me and so many others through your work ethic. You're an inspiration to me and so many others, and really a great reminder of what this life is all about. So continue to do the work that you do, and I'll continue to listen. And my goodness, congratulations on 1,000 episodes of Let's Have This Conversation. And hey, I hope to be on there soon again, because it is always a pleasure, my friend. So all the best to you. Congratulations. Thanks so much for including me. And hey, keep doing it, because man, you inspire me and so many others. God bless, my friend.
Kevin, congrats on your 1,000 video moment, my friend. That is huge. I just wanted to say I am so ecstatic for you. I had no doubt in my mind that you'd ever get to this point. But one of the biggest things that I can say about you is that you are an amazing individual, but not just because of the fact that you elevate others. You're an amazing individual because of the fact that you show the world that there is no kind of adversity or advantage. There's only hard work, there's effort, there's ethic. And you, my friend, are someone who shows up despite any and all circumstance. You're somebody who makes a difference unapologetically, and the world needs you, because you're going to show so many people that you maybe don't even realize yet the kind of power that they have inside. Keep doing what you're doing. Keep showing the world how powerful your voice is, how powerful others are, and I can really, really appreciate the fact that you are my friend, and I really look forward to seeing more of you. Congrats again.
Kevin, you are always a joy to speak to, and you've made such an impact in this field. And as I said to you before the webinar started, it's a privilege to be able to just be in the room with you and talk to you.
Hey Kevin, I was wrong. It's the 1,000th episode. Man, I just want to take a minute and congratulate you on your 1,000th episode. That is amazing. I love the fact that I got to come on the show, man. You are an inspiration to this world. You keep on making this place a better place every single day. I appreciate you, and keep on going after the 1,000. But I wanted to take a moment and congratulate you on hitting this milestone. I hope you have a great day. Let's get it.
Kevin, my brother, congratulations on 1,000 episodes. Wow. I don't think I'll ever catch up, nor do I want to. You're an incredible person, and I was honored to have been on your show and have you on my show on Wits and Weights back when we discussed fitness and training and everything that you are able to do. I was going to say despite your limitations, but man, you have no limitations, and your show and the incredible conversations you have are definitely a testament to that. So keep spreading positivity, keep inviting on amazing people, having those conversations, and I wish you the best. Again, congratulations on 1,000 episodes, my man.
It is. It really is. I've had so much fun the last 2 months just meeting all different kind of people. I love it.
Well, you can add me to the list, and hopefully I can keep the trend going, right?
Well, you're definitely up there. I'll put you like at least top 10 for now. How does that sound?
Well, I hope so. We haven't even started the podcast yet, so I have to live up to the hype.
Let me tell you something. I'm an energy kind of girl. I just feel vibes and energy, and I feel a good vibe here. So I'll give you top 10.
Well,
Kevin, thank you. And I feel blessed that I was able to be your first podcast of 2025. Your question asking is immaculate. I really enjoyed our conversation. Thank you for challenging me, and thank you for pulling a bunch of value out that we can share with your listeners.
fantastic, Devin. That was terrific. I hope you enjoyed the experience.
Oh, Kevin, you're amazing, brother. I appreciate you, and man, your questions were amazing. Thank you.
Fantastic. Well, my friend, I look forward to staying connected, and I hope this isn't our final conversation, okay?
I agree. Happy New Year. Happy 2025. If there's anyone I can connect you with or help, just let me know, and I'll make those intros.
It was a pleasure. And listen, I'm so honored to know that I'm almost part of the 1,000 podcasts you've done. It's an extraordinary accomplishment, and I just commend you for that.
Well, I appreciate that, my friend, and I want to thank you for your time and for engaging in conversation. It's most appreciated.
Mate, it's been an absolute pleasure to chat with you. I wish you the best, and we'll talk again one day, okay? You take care.
Thank you to you. Thank you for the space and for the work that you're doing.
Fantastic, Mona. That was terrific. I hope you enjoyed the experience.
Definitely. Thank you, Kevin.
Absolutely, my friend. And just before I let you go, I have to send a personal thank you to you, my friend, because you're speaking to me in the week that we're closing in on 1,000 episodes for the program. So I want to thank you for contributing to the milestone and for bringing the energy to the conversation. It's most appreciated.
Congratulations. That's amazing. And I'm honored. I'm really honored to be a part of it. Thank you, Kevin.
I will. Kevin, I appreciate your time. I enjoyed speaking with you, and I think it went really well. It flowed very easily. You had really great questions that you were prepared with, so I appreciate you taking the time to get that ready ahead of time.
I also really appreciate your time and your attention. And I can see where your laser beams pointed in the conversations you're having and how you're unpacking things for yourself, and just want to applaud it and say you're doing really, really good stuff, Kevin, and I appreciate the conversation.
Hi, Kevin. Congratulations. 1,000 podcasts is amazing and definitely something to celebrate. I hope you do something super fun to document this milestone. And way to go, friend. I love the platform that you have created to have great conversations with people from all walks of life, to give all kinds of different folks, including myself, an opportunity to share our stories and our passions. You are truly an amazing, gifted, kind person, and I just am so blessed to know you and to follow along in this journey with you as you continue to have amazing conversations and be such a light and a gift to all those that come across your path and find your podcast and the other platforms that you're on. So way to go. Keep up the amazing work and continue having those great conversations.
Well, absolutely. Well, Matt, I have to tell you, I think I've gained from having this conversation, and I'm certainly smarter than I am from when we began the conversation, my friend. I think you're doing great work in the space of AI and technology and internet browsing, my friend. I think you're a fascinating person, and I want to thank you for engaging in conversation with me this afternoon and for answering my questions. It's most appreciated.
I appreciate that. Thanks so much. It was a lot of fun, and you had great questions. This was a great opportunity.
Absolutely. Well, my friend, as I mentioned before, I think you're doing outstanding work helping entrepreneurs maximize their potential, and I want to thank you for engaging in conversation with this monumental episode for the show, my friend. It's most appreciated.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you for having me. It's an honor.
I have to tell you, it's been a busy week of conversations for me, but this is certainly been an insightful one, my friend. So I want to thank you for bringing your A game to this conversation and engaging in conversation with me. It's most appreciated, my friend. I want to thank you for being here.
Thank you, Kevin. Thanks for having me. It's been a lot of fun talking to you, getting to know you, and congrats on your success with the podcast. You're doing a great job.
I have to send a personal thank you, my friend, with the recording of our episode today. My friend will surpass over 1,000 episodes for the podcast. So I want to thank you for being here and helping me to celebrate the milestone. It's most appreciated.
This was your 1,000th episode?
You're number 1,000, my friend.
Oh, yeah.
You have that title all to yourself, so congratulations.
Well, I appreciate it, man. It was a blast. You are doing the good work. You are asking questions and you're getting people information and 1,000 episodes. Wow. You want to talk about dedication and giving of yourself. That's amazing.
Well, it's either a labor of love or insanity. So we'll go with either one of the two, okay?
We'll let history sort it out.
Absolutely. Well, I want to thank you for being here, my friend. It's most appreciated.
Thank you, Kevin.